Hello, hello, hello. Hello, is my voice audible? Hello, 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 traders, please let me know how is the video quality and is my voice audible clearly? Am I audible? Please let me know so that I can continue. Sanjay, okay, okay. My voice is audible. My voice clear? Okay, let others join, then we will continue. Okay, Sanjay, thank you for your comment. Thank you very much. Let others join. We will continue. How was your day, Sanjay? How is your trading going on? Sanjay, please wait. Let others also join. Then we will continue. Only Sanjay is watching. Anyone else? I can see your comments. Please comment below. I can see your comments. If I start the analysis, then afterwards I have to explain again. At least we need 4 or 5 members so we can start. One more member has joined. Please, can you comment? Is my voice clear? So we will start the analysis now. Please confirm if my voice is clear. Okay, one more member has joined. So we will start our analysis now. All right, traders. So let's start our analysis. So we will be first having a look at the technicals. Then we will move on to we will move on to technicals afterwards. First, we will take a look at the fundamentals. Okay. All right, traders. So today is Monday, Jan 26th. So before starting, welcome all of you. Clear but little low. Okay. Let me check. Brother, from my side, volume is full. So can you increase your volume in your device? Maybe that will work. Please reconfirm Pearl. Thank you for your comment. Okay, no problem. Let's start our analysis or it will be late. So traders, today is Monday, Jan 26th, and today we don't have any high impact major news event. Okay, today and tomorrow we don't have any major impact news event. So let's take a look at the fundamentals. Gold storms through 5,000. Okay, so already we have break past the 5,000 level. And do we have any fundamental news? Let's have a look. Okay, traders, very important headline. So as you can see over here, more than 847,000 US customers without power as winter storm freezes much of the US. Okay, so this is a huge number. So that's why we are seeing some bearishness in the dollar index. Okay, 6 people are watching. Please let me know who's watching. I am reading all of your comments. So this news is very important. Okay, more than 847,000 US customers without power as winter storm freezes much of the US. Okay, so this is a factor. Sarfraz brother, welcome to our stream, brother. Sorry I was not able to reply to your message. I'm extremely sorry. Welcome to the stream, brother. And thank you for your like. Thank you. Okay, what else we have? All right, so here's a very important headline. Market drop. The three main indexes are falling in pre-market trading Monday after the president said Canada faces a 100% levy if it trade deal with China. Okay, so this is a very important news factor. Okay, so coming back to our chart, so let's start our technical analysis. Okay traders, so this is gold weekly time frame, and as you can see traders, last week was a beautiful bullish week. Okay, so let's calculate. So as you can see traders, 3400 pips momentum last week. I hope you captured. So from today onwards I'll be regularly live in the US session. Okay, I promise I'll be regularly live in the US session. So this was 3400, and today is the first day of this week, and already we have made more than 1,000 pips momentum. Okay traders, so gold is super bullish due to geopolitical events. Okay, let's have a look at the daily. So as you can see, previous week continues 1 2 3 4 5 continuous bullish momentum traders. Okay, continuous bullish momentum, and this week Monday we started super bullish. So let's see. So let's have a look at our technical analysis now. Okay traders, so first thing first, I have marked the liquidity levels. Okay, so I'm going to explain gold in a very simple way. Okay traders, so that you understand each and everything. Okay, I'll be explaining you in a very simple way, the simplest way possible. Okay, no complex concepts or anything like that. I'll explain you in the simplest way possible. Alright traders, so today we have only one support. Okay, which is this one. We have only one support, and what is our main liquidity level today? So we have a liquidity level here. So as you can see, as soon as the market open, so buyers entered into the market. So this is our main liquidity level, which is also our day low. Okay, if I show you on the daily time frame, as you can see, this is our main liquidity level, also our day low. Okay, so you remember, this is our day high, also the seller's liquidity level. Okay, so we are trading on all-time high. That's why this is a very important liquidity level. Okay, now what's happening in the market? So first let's mark these sessions. All right, so from here until here. Okay, so this region is the whole Asian session. Okay traders, so we will note down this as Asian session, Asian buyers. Okay, these are Asian buyers. All right traders, so these are Asian buyers. So Asian session, buyers were involved. Okay, so I'm going to explain you in a very simple way traders. So now from here until here, okay, we have London session. Okay, London session starts from here. So this is London session. So let's mark this as London session. So I'll keep it here. London sellers. Okay, so sellers were involved in the London session. Okay traders, so sellers were involved in the London session. As you can see, there are sellers, and in the Asian session there are buyers. Okay, Asian session buyers, and London session we have some sellers. All right, so now where are the liquidity levels? So sellers first liquidity is this level. Okay, this is also our today's high. This is our today's high printed in the Asian session. Okay, so this is the liquidity level, major liquidity level marked in this line. Okay, this line is level 2. Okay, and the minor liquidity level is level 1. Okay, so now here as you can see, traders, when I mark this, so here you can see the high low. Okay, so this candle's high is 5098.455, and this candle high is 5098.515. Okay, 455 and 515. So this candle liquidity is taken by this candle. Okay, traders, after hunting the liquidity, what happened? Sellers entered. Okay, and that liquidity is being protected now. Okay, sellers are entering from here. Okay, I hope you're getting me. I hope you understand. Please, traders, please comment. Please comment so that I know you're watching. Please comment. Who's watching? Please comment. And make sure you smash that like button, traders. Please comment. Please comment. Alright, so these are London sellers. You got it? This liquidity. So now this liquidity is being protected. Okay, so this liquidity is being protected as of now. So below as you can see, traders, this is very important liquidity. Okay, and when we have a look here, as you can see, after hunting these buyers, market came below, hunted their stop loss, and then again gave us a beautiful bullish momentum. Okay, so this becomes our liquidity. Okay, and below that we have a major liquidity lying here. Also, this is our previous today's low. Okay, traders, so this is our major liquidity from where all the buyers entered. So now let's see if we have any key levels. So traders, here as you can see, buyers tried to break this level. Okay, buyers tried to break this level, but as you can see, aggressive sellers entered over here, and after that buyers were unable to test this area. Okay, so there are sellers entered here, so we are expecting market to come down to hunt the liquidity and then again continue. Okay, so now in the London session sellers were involved, but as you can see now buyers are also getting involved. Okay, so we will mark the liquidity of the buyers. Okay, so this will be the liquidity for the buyers. This is all internal liquidity. Okay, level 1 is internal liquidity, and level 2 is the major liquidity. Okay, traders, Okay, Sanjay. Thank you for your comment. Thank you for your comment, brother. Thank you. So this way we need to understand the market in simple way. Okay, don't complicate the market. So now why do we need this liquidity? Why do we need this liquidity? Here already sellers are entered. Okay, here already sellers are entered, but to go further more upside, to make more bullish momentum, market needs liquidity. Okay, so market could hunt this liquidity, also touching this level, also touching this level, and then we might continue again. Also market could hit this liquidity. Okay, so let price come below. Okay, until then let's draw our trend lines if we have any trend lines. So now as you can see, traders, market could hit this liquidity. Okay, inviting buyers, and market could continue below. Okay, market could continue below, targeting this liquidity and this liquidity as well. Okay, also we have a buying level over here, which is of 2-hour buying level, which is very important level. Okay, traders, until and unless we don't break past this level, market will be bullish. That's simple. Okay, so we are not going to buy or sell anything. We are not going to buy from here. This is a very premium zone, so we need discount zone for buying. Okay, traders, we need discount zone for buying. So make sure you like our stream, traders, so we reach out to other traders also. Our main motive will be, okay, let's see, traders, if we hit this liquidity, there's a probability that the market could continue downwards. Okay, after hitting this liquidity, but liquidity hunting must be done with a wick, not closing above this level. Okay, just a wick and then again continue below, targeting this liquidity first, and then we might continue with this liquidity also. So traders, already as you can see, we have already made a momentum of 1000 pips. Market is super bullish. Is anybody trading funded accounts, or everyone is trading their personal accounts? Please let me know. And always manage your risk. Always work with risk management. Okay. So we will be live until the whole US session. Okay. So building more liquidity, building more liquidity. So we didn't break this liquidity. We are protecting this liquidity so that we can break this liquidity afterwards. Okay, so we can hunt this liquidity, and this liquidity will help buyers. Just remember, traders, this liquidity is going to help buyers. Okay, so market is protecting this liquidity. Funded was washed. Okay. So sorry to hear that, Sarfraz. I'm extremely sorry to hear that. And I was also not active. Pardon me. So now I'll be trading I mean I'll be live in the US session on a daily basis, traders. Okay, so it's really hard to upload the analysis and then provide you the signal, so I have decided that I will be regularly live in the US session no matter what. I promise I'll be live in the US session regularly. Sarfaraz, market was super bullish. I thought you were in selling direction. That's why your account was washed. Okay, so let's have a look at the news over here. If we have any news, uh, what is this? Okay, gold hits record high, silver extends to 110. Wow. Platinum hits record peak of 2918. Gold prices could climb towards 6,000 this year, analyst says. Okay. Already in the Jan month, we have already hit 5,000 level. Okay, so this was unexpected, but due to geopolitical tensions, gold is super bullish. Gold prices extended their record-setting rally on Monday. Central banks and investors for geopolitical risk and Trump included market volatility. Okay, so that's why there's the problem. So this news is really important. I have already mentioned. Okay, once again I'll explain you. More than 847,000 US customers without power as winter storm freezes much of the US. So this is really important. That's why today also gold is super bullish. Okay, anything else? So as you can see, traders, geopolitical tensions update. So let's have a look here. US government shutdown added fresh fuel to the metals. Okay, as you can see, dollar weakness and lower interest rates have heightened gold's appeal while central banks have been rotating into gold aggressively. Okay, so that's why gold is super bullish, traders. When central banks are buying, then this is what happens. Okay, so we need to be updated on each and everything. Okay, traders, so now as you can see, this liquidity is being protected. So please let me know, traders, if you want me to explain this analysis once again. I have passed few accounts but couldn't get to the real account, real money. All funded firms have this problem. They reduce lot size, they reduce leverage at giving funded accounts. Brother, you can use 5%ers. They are really good. I have personal experience. Rest others, I can't say much. You can use 5%ers, okay? Or else you could go with FTMO, the best in the game. The best in the game is FTMO. First number goes to FTMO. First position goes to FTMO, and the second number will be 5%ers, okay? Namzi, thank you for watching, brother. Make sure you smash that like button, traders. And all the other traders who are watching, make sure you smash that like button. Okay, traders, so you see this liquidity is being protected. Okay, this liquidity, and please let me know in the comment section if you want me to explain again. Okay, I will explain again for you. New viewers, please let me know. 100% you can go with FTMO and 5%ers. You won't face any issues. If you face any issues, you can let me know. Sarfaraz, now we cannot enter anywhere. We cannot enter anywhere. We are waiting for the liquidity hunt. Okay, so this is our first liquidity hunt. As you can see, this is a double bottom, we can say triple bottom. Let's consider this double bottom. This is a very beautiful minor liquidity area, and this is our major liquidity area. Okay, so after breaking this, we could break this also, but this liquidity could be protected. Okay, as we are in a bullish trend, so we could target this liquidity, and from this level we can be in a buy side. Okay, so let me write down our bias so you don't get confused. Bias is bullish, and reversal bearish liquidity hunt. Bearish liquidity hunt. Okay, so very simple, traders. Market is super bullish. Okay, as you can see over here, this is the weekly candle, and I've told you already, last week we almost made more than 3400 pips. Okay, so that's like a miracle. We already made 3400 pips. Okay, so this week, Monday beginning, as you can see, as soon as the week started, the first day Monday, we already made a momentum of more than 1000 pips. Market is super bullish. Okay, and I've already told you this level will be very important. Okay, so market will definitely respect this level, and we are on the bullish side. Okay, don't go against the trend. Okay, always be with the trend, then you will be 100% profitable. Okay, we always need to be with the trend. Trend is our friend. Okay, so note it down, trend is our friend. After liquidity sweep, we are buying. We only trade gold, brother. We don't trade Nasdaq and any other thing. We don't get confused. We only trade gold. Gold is the best pair. You don't need to jump onto two, three, four pairs. Just stick to one pair. Okay, just stick with one pair. Believe me, you will be definitely profitable, traders. Sarfaraz, don't worry. I'll be regularly live from today onwards. Okay, US session, I'll be regularly live. Believe me, I promise I'll be regularly live in the US session. Okay. Okay, our main bias is bullish, and we are waiting for the liquidity hunt. Okay, that will be our reversal trade. So you need to understand, brother. You need to understand the market. Market is not only buying and selling. Okay, so market, you buy anywhere randomly. You just see the breakouts. You just see something and you then buy it. It doesn't work like that, brother. You need to understand the market. Okay, who is involved in the Asian session? Who is involved in the London session? So that way you need to understand. Okay, so market is not only buying selling game, it's understanding each and everything. Understand each and everything. Okay, if you don't understand both the sessions, Asian and London, then you will be not be able to trade the US session. As simple as that. Okay, so one thing is very important. You don't need all the previous data. Okay, you don't need to get confused with all the previous data. So this was our weekly range. Okay, this was our weekly range. So we got this weekly range, and we have this daily range. We have this previous daily range. Market break past the previous day high and then continued. That is simple. So you don't need other stuff. Okay, so just quit other stuff. You just need to focus on this range. So market will be moving from this range only. We don't need the previous data or anything like that. Okay, so we don't need from support from here, we don't need liquidity from here, we don't need anything. Okay, we just need our previous day and the previous week data. Okay, so the point is, important point is, this is all time high. Okay, so let me mark this as all time high, so that will be better for us. This is all time high. Okay, this is our all time high. Okay, this is our major liquidity, brother. This is our major liquidity. Okay, this is all time high as well as our major liquidity. So now people are really confused. So what retailers do, I'll explain you what retailers do. Retailers, they think, okay, the market has made a big bullish momentum, this is the second swing, okay, now this is the third swing. So they will be buying, buying, buying. You see the candles around here, you see the candle around here. As soon as the market comes down, a push. Okay, so you just see the wicks. As soon as the market comes below, the market gives a push. As soon as the market comes below, the market gives a push. So buyers are very, very, very aggressive in this range. Okay, because all the retailers, they saw this momentum, they saw this momentum. Now they saw the Asian momentum, they saw the London momentum, and same they are expecting for the US session. But before moving further, yes, I agree, market will go up, but market needs to hunt some liquidity. Okay, market needs some liquidity. Now I'll explain you in a simple way, traders. 11 people are watching. Thank you for all your 10 likes. Let me read the comment. Market structure seems strong, bullish. It may give new all-time high. Definitely, brother. Definitely. That's what I'm talking about. Definitely. Okay. So now let me explain you a simple concept. So 11 people are watching. Let me explain you a simple concept. So now let's imagine market made a momentum from here, and this is the swing. Okay, so now from here, these are the buyers. Okay, so remember, these are the buyers. So now let's imagine we have some liquidity here in the minor range. Okay, so this is our major liquidity, this is our major liquidity. Okay, I'm not marking it. Okay, but you please understand, this is our major liquidity, this is our major liquidity. So obviously all the buyers, they have stop loss below this swing, so that's normal. So when the market needs to continue further, market needs some liquidity. Okay, like here, after making this all-time high, so some sellers were involved. Okay, some sellers were involved. So when sellers are involved, okay, their stop loss is buy stop loss. Simple. Their order execution is sell order, so their stop loss will be buy stop loss. Okay, their stop loss will be buy stop loss. Their stop loss will help buyers, and the buyer stop loss, when the buyer stop loss is hit, buyers are involved, their stop loss will help sellers. Okay, this is very, very simple concept. Okay, traders. So now we have buyers here, we have some buyers here, we have some buyers here. So what market does is, market will come down, breaking one swing. So the sellers will think, oh, the market is going down. So what they will do is, they will start selling. So when they start selling, their stop loss will act as buy side position. When their stop loss will be triggered, so that position will be turned into buy side position. Okay, so the buyers will gain traction. Got it, traders? So same way. So as you can see, after making this all time high, buyers are involved. So now the market needs to go up, but market needs fuel. Without fuel we can't drive. Okay, we cannot drive. Without fuel we cannot drive. So market needs fuel. So that fuel is the stop loss of the sellers. So market needs to show some sellers, oh, the market is going down, so let sellers will get entered. Okay, sellers will be getting entered into the market. They will start pushing the market down. Okay, they think, okay, this is the all time high, now market will be going down. So sellers will be involved in this range. So after this liquidity hunt, sellers will think, okay, market is breaking this structure. Okay, market is breaking this structure, so more sell entries, so more sell entries, more sell entries. So now when their stop loss will get hit, that will help the buyers push the market above. That's really simple, traders. Okay, so you need to do analysis like this. Very, very simple analysis, traders. Trading is very simple. Trading is very, very simple, traders. You just need to find out the liquidity, and you need to be in the right side direction. You need to be with the trend, okay, not against the trend. All the retailers will get confused now. All the retailers will get confused. They will think that the market has printed the all time high and the market will not go up furthermore. Okay, so they will start selling. They will start selling now. They will start selling. And also we got one more clue. Okay, so you need to become detective. You need to become detective of the market. Okay, so you find out the clues. What is the clue now? So as you can see, let me uh, just for a moment. So this liquidity is being protected. Okay, I already marked this liquidity. So now why this liquidity is being protected? If the market wants to go directly, then the market will break past this liquidity and directly go further all time high. But market is not doing that way. What market is doing is market is building this liquidity. Market is building this liquidity. So all these sellers, all these London sellers, okay, all these London sellers, what they will think is, okay, so now market is protecting this stop loss. Okay, they will think market is protecting my stop loss. I am in a correct direction. Okay, I am in a right direction. I am with the trend, not against the trend. But what will happen? This is the fuel for the buyers. Okay, just remember, this is the fuel for the buyers. Okay, this liquidity being protected is the fuel for the buyers. When the market will hit here, or maybe from here also market can directly go up. Okay, after hitting this liquidity, market could directly go up, but market is on its all time high. Okay, so market needs more sellers. So market needs more sellers. Market needs big fuel. What time frame you consider the confirmation for liquidity sweep? Time frame is like I told you, traders, time frame, we have two types of liquidity. Okay, so one, we have the major liquidity. Okay, like this low is printed, this day low is printed, this day high is printed. So these are the major liquidity. Okay, and the second one is the minor liquidity. So to find out the minor liquidity, you can use 30 minutes, 15 minutes, or 5 minutes also. Okay, and for the major liquidity, you can work with daily 4 hour until 1 hour, and below that you can work with minor liquidity. Okay, see, this liquidity is hidden. Okay, so let me take this aside so you will understand it better. So as you can see, traders, this liquidity is hidden. Okay, so I am pretty sure that no one will mark this liquidity. So this liquidity is hidden. Okay, this liquidity is hidden. So this liquidity is not hidden. Okay, this is obvious liquidity for the sellers. So they are thinking now, okay, my position is in profit, I am in the right direction. So this liquidity will help the buyers, and already we are in a bullish momentum. Okay, super bullish momentum, so there's no point selling. So what we need is, and also one more thing, today we don't have any high impact red folder news event. Okay, we don't have any news event. So the simple thing is, market is building the fuel for more buying. Okay, market is building the fuel for more buying. So these seller stop loss will be working as a buy order. Okay, when this stop loss will hit, the market will push aggressively towards the all-time high. That's very, very simple, traders. Okay. All right. Now let me tell, it's going to go up now, going to hunt the top external liquidity and going to come down to lower internal liquidity and going to fall down to the highlighted part. Okay, that's also a probability. That's also a probability. But brother, we cannot trade against the trend. We cannot trade. What confirmation do you have? What what confirmation do you have? What confirmation do you have that the market will fall from the exact level? Can you please explain me what confirmation do you have? So this is the weekly range. As you can see, market break past the weekly range and already we are super bullish with a gap up. Okay, we are already super bullish with a gap up, brother. As you can see, this was the gap up. So already we made a gap up. So as you can see, this was our previous week candle and this is our new candle that is being formed. Today is the first day, Monday, and already we have made more than 1000 pips. Okay, market has already made more than 1000 pips. So what confirmation do you have, brother? Just let me know. I will be interested to know. Ebin, please let me know. We need some confirmations, we need some break of structure, we need some confirmation, we need some break of structure. Like once we break past this level, then we can think of selling. Then we can think of selling until where? Until this liquidity hunt. Sorry, until this liquidity, major liquidity. Okay, and also this is our previous, sorry, today's low. Also this is today's low. Once we break this level, then we can think of coming downwards towards this liquidity. How the market could go up from here, breaking this liquidity and then fall below, breaking this? Please explain. What confirmation do you have? If I am missing any comments, so please you can comment again. So make sure you smash that like button, traders. Okay, so let me rearrange this. All right. So now pre-US session is already started. Okay. So pre-US session is already started from here. Okay, this line. So pre-US session is already started and our main US session will be active within 50 minutes. Okay. Not breaking and come down that low. It will go down to highlight part only. Okay, you're talking about this highlighted part. Okay, this liquidity. Am I right? You're talking about this liquidity. So you're telling that the market first will hunt this liquidity above, that is our all-time high, and after hitting this liquidity, then the market will come towards this liquidity. Okay. Okay, brother, let's see. Let's see. I am super bullish. I am explaining my view. Let's see. I'm explaining my view. I'm super bullish. I will never ever sell. Okay. If also, just listen to me carefully. If the market goes from here, breaking this also, then also I'll not buy. Then also I'll not be buying. Okay. That will be fake buying because obviously I need some liquidity. I need some liquidity to be hunted first. Then only I will be interested in buying. Yes, yes, brother. Yes, Ebin. Yes, brother. Thank you for your comment, brother. Thank you for your beautiful comment. I really appreciate. But I don't think so that's gonna happen because market is already about to hit this liquidity, and after hitting this liquidity, market could test this level, and I'm afraid that the market could also hunt this liquidity. Okay, I'm afraid that the market could also hunt this liquidity and then again continue targeting our all-time high. I keep your analysis in my mind. So let's see, brother. Market could do anything. Also, I could be wrong, but my view is super bullish. I am not in a mood to sell. New viewers, make sure you smash that like button and please comment so I know you that you're watching. Please let me know. Please comment. Other traders, please comment your thoughts. What do you think? This is very, very interesting. We are on the all-time high. So this is where we learn. I want to build a community where we all together we learn. Agree to disagree. The structure is damn bullish strong. It might come down to take some liquidity but certainly remain bullish until H4 or more higher time frame shows strong bearish. Exactly, brother. Exactly. Let's see if we have any FVGs in the 4 hour. Okay. So as you can see, traders, we have a FVG here, but it comes with a gap up. It comes with a gap up. It comes with a gap up. So how does it look here? Let me see. Okay, it looks like this. I'm sorry. It looks something like this. Okay, traders. So as you can see, we have FVG here also. Okay, on our exact same level. So that's why I'm afraid that this liquidity also might get hunted. Okay, this liquidity also might get hunted. And after hitting the liquidity and touching the FVG, we could boom, continue. As of now, I'll delete this. Okay, I'll delete this, but you just keep this in mind. I see 50-70 more volume, fixed range volume profile. It might take a liquidity at this area. If you can check, I might be wrong. Okay, let me check. Okay, I haven't marked volume yet. Thank you for letting me know. So we are going to mark volume also. Okay, first understand. Let's understand the buyer's volume. First, first let's understand the buyer's volume. Okay, traders, as you can see, after breaking this volume, we made some bearish momentum. Okay, so let's check out these buyers. Okay, volume is here, so that's why we are seeing some bullish pressure from your exact same volume level. Okay, so that's why we are seeing some bullish momentum from this level. Okay, we have buying volume here near this liquidity. So there's a possibility after hitting this liquidity, we might make some bullish momentum, but that would be also early buying. Okay, that would be early buying. So early buyers might get trapped in this zone. After hitting this liquidity, early buyers might get trapped, and then again a sell move. Okay, so more fuel for the sellers, more fuel for the sellers. And then after hitting this level, so I am not sure about this liquidity. I am just afraid that the market might also hit this liquidity. Also, we have 4-hour FVG in this range, and then after hitting here, then we can continue. Okay, so that way market could trap. I am also saying the same what you are saying, but with a small correction, initially going up, then come down, and then go up again. Okay, brother. Okay, got it, brother. I got your point of view. I got your point of view, my friend. I totally agree with your point of view. I totally respect your point of view. Yeah, one thing could happen as per you. After hitting this liquidity, we could go up, hitting this liquidity, and then again we might continue. Okay, that way, yes, it's possible. But as of now, brother, as of now, bro, do you scalp or just intraday trader? No, 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 brother. I just don't do scalping. I'm an intraday trader, but I prefer trading one or two trades, perfect trades. After liquidity hunt, I'm with the bias. I go with the bias and I try to capture the moment. Okay, momentum, big momentums. I always try to capture more than 1 is to 2. Minimum target is 1 is to 2. If I am risking $10, I want to book $20. Okay, traders, don't go. I'll just go to the washroom. Just give me a moment. Just 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes. I'll be back. Please don't go. Just 2 minutes. Yes, traders, I'm back. Okay. Market is okay. Market hit this liquidity now. One hour for the US opening. So we have a lot of time. So planning a we could be planning a buy position from this level. Okay. So now we have a lot of fuel for the buyers. But I'm not sure about this liquidity. I'm really concerned about this liquidity. Whether this liquidity will be protected or this liquidity will be taken out. After taking this liquidity, we might continue. So what you can do is this level is 50.52. Okay. So if you don't know this psychological level strategy, so you can check out this strategy. I have already uploaded. Okay. So this is near around this level 50.50. Okay, 52 level, so exact here. So what you can do is you can plan your buy entry into this range like this, and you can plan your stop loss like this. Okay, so that way your liquidity will be hunted. Also this level will be hit. This is a psychological level. After hitting this level we can continue. Okay, and also without hitting this level, just touching this level, we might continue. So we have two probabilities, but our view is bullish, super bullish. Okay, already told you traders, this liquidity is being saved. That's why this liquidity was a definite 100% hunt. And this was like 200 pips. 200 pips. You could have easily made 100 pips in this momentum. Okay, so this is our first day traders. Okay, just let's align ourselves. Okay, let's align ourselves. So don't do don't rush. Let's align ourselves. You see, after hitting the liquidity, boom, we are going up. That means we have marked the correct liquidity. Okay, so when you see momentum like this, immediate reaction, that means we have marked the correct liquidity. I could have also marked this one. I could have also marked this one, but let me explain you this liquidity. Okay, this is a buying liquidity, but why I have not marked this, let me explain you. Okay, so after making this momentum, okay, after making this momentum, we saw sharp sellers, we saw sharp aggressive sellers, okay, from this range. So as you can see traders, this is the main buyer's liquidity. Okay, so we cannot just take this as liquidity. Okay, we cannot just take this as liquidity. So why this liquidity was marked? Because as you can see, this liquidity was protected here, so this becomes a double bottom. Okay, this becomes a double bottom, so that's why this liquidity was marked and not this one. Okay, so this will be our main liquidity. This is also internal, this is also internal. Just remember, I'll delete this. You see how buyers are pushing, how buyers are pushing after grabbing this liquidity. So these are all early buyers. Okay, these are all early buyers. Okay, they will be get they will get trapped. They will get trapped. These are all early buyers. Make sure you smash that like button, traders. Thank you for all your comments. I really appreciate. I just want to build a community where all together we can make profits. Okay, I don't need anything from you. I don't need anything from you. I just want to build a community where all together we can help each other. Like Abin is sharing his view. Okay, Namzi is sharing his view. So you can also share your view. आवाज नहीं आ रही है. What? Hello, hello, hello. I think voice is okay. Ravan, just increase volume in your device. Increase volume in your device, brother. Full volume. Do it full volume. And also you switch your video to 1080p. Okay. And just let me know if my video is available in 1080p. Please let me know. Okay, Ben. Thank you for confirmation. Okay, Ravan, you make your device volume full, please. How long have been trading? Brother, I've been trading since a decade, almost a decade now. First, I used to trade in the put and the call and put option. That's how I got introduced in trading. IQ option. I first time in my life I got introduced to IQ options. Volume full hai. I don't know why he is facing problem. Brother Ravan, please use headphones. Use headphones or use earphones, please. The volume might be okay. First, I got introduced to IQ options. The first time in my life, I deposited $10. That's how I got introduced into trading, and then I traded a few years in Indian market, Nifty, Bank Nifty, and previous 6 years I'm trading in Forex. I love Forex. I just love Forex, and particularly gold. I just want to become master in gold, particularly gold. I don't trade anything else, just gold, pure gold. Brother, BTC also we will start. Okay, so today is our first stream. BTC also we will start. We will cover in the upcoming streams. Definitely, brothers. You subscribe to our channel. Make sure you join our Telegram channel. Okay. Definitely, we will be starting BTC also. So what we do is we earn money from gold, XAUUSD, and then we invest our money in BTC. Okay, we don't do intraday trading in BTC. Crypto is better for investing, as per me. Crypto is very good for investing. So you earn money from gold and then you invest into crypto. Okay, so buyers are trapped here. So let's see what happens. You see, brother, I told you after grabbing this liquidity, we might continue. But I am also telling you that this is early buying. Okay, this is early buying. Okay, so now 45 minutes to go. So 45 minutes left for the US session. So you can see, check out the time. So now the time is, where's the time? Okay, so you can check out over here. So now the time is 6:42 p.m. in my country. So 7:30 gold will be opening. Gold opening time is 7:30. So 45 minutes left. So you see how the market trapped the early buyers. So these are the early buyers. Let's see what happens. Oh, and yes, we will draw some trend lines if possible. Let's see if we have any trend lines. There's no possible trend line from below. Just one possible trend line I could see is this one. That's it. That's it. No other trend line. In the morning, in the Asian session, we had a trend line like this. Okay. Like this. So after breaking this trend line, early buyers trapped, retracement, and continued below. So if you have marked this liquidity, then you definitely know this is a early buying trap. Okay. So many people started selling here, but they failed. As you can see, big bullish candle hit their stop loss, and afterwards, after trapping some buyers, the market continued below. Market always needs fuel. Okay, so without fuel, we cannot ride the bike or car. We cannot ride bike or car. We need fuel. Okay, we need enough fuel to cover that distance. So that's how market works. So you just need to understand the mechanism of the market. Okay, nothing else. I hope you're enjoying our stream. So regularly we'll be coming live. I will also buy a camera, and I will come in front of you, and we will build a big community, okay, where we can help each other. The main motive of live streaming is to stop you from making losses, okay, to stop you from blowing your accounts, making losses, losing your hard-earned money. So that's the only motive I have. Can you put an EMA 21 or 20? Okay, why not? I already have EMA over here, but you need 21 or 20. I have 21. Here we go. On which time frame? 15 minutes. This is your EMA on the 15 minutes time frame. Oh, great. It seems you have good knowledge. In that case, I'm sure I'm going to learn something from you. It's always great to gain knowledge from people like you who aren't just selling things. Yes, brother. I really appreciate a comment. Thank you. Yeah, which time frame, Ebin? 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 5 minutes. You see 21 moving average. 21 moving average is mostly used by intraday traders. Market will not continue, traders. Don't buy, don't fall into this trap. Market is just trapping these early buyers. So now this we need to mark this liquidity as well, because this also becomes a liquidity, because as you can see we made a double bottom. Okay, so this liquidity also marked, and this liquidity is taken, so let's delete this liquidity. I'll keep it for some time, afterwards I'll delete it. Okay, so this liquidity is of no use now. Okay, just for visual purpose I'm keeping it. 15 minutes. Okay, okay, this is 15 minutes, brother. 21 moving average. Also we have this FVG that we have marked in the 4-hour time frame. I just want to keep things simple. Okay, don't want to complicate anything. This stream will be, my streaming will be only for beginners. So pro traders, you already have a lot of knowledge, you're better than me. I'm sure you're better than me, so you're already profitable. This stream is only for beginners, those who are losing their hard earned money. I just want to stop them from losing their hard earned money, and start earning, start making profits, so they can help their family, they can help their parents. Okay, so they can achieve their dreams. Again, selling might be continued, because these are early buyers. These are early buyers, and we have also made a liquidity pool here. Okay, so this becomes a liquidity, internal liquidity. So market could again come to hunt this, tap this, and go. Okay, so again market is creating those sellers, market is creating fuel. Okay, market is creating fuel to go further upside. So these sellers liquidity will be working as a buy. Okay, when the market will be coming up, hitting their stop losses, so it will work as a buy position. So buyers, it will help buyers, all the buyers. Okay, so early buyers trapped. Also we made a liquidity pool here. I'll delete this now. Sorry, I'll delete this now. If you haven't liked our stream, so make sure you like our stream, traders. We need to reach out other beginner traders also. So make sure, if you know someone who's trading into XAUUSD and they're making losses, then make sure you share our stream. If you haven't liked our stream, make sure you smash that like button, traders. Subscribe to our channel. I forgot to update the link, Telegram channel link, but not a problem, traders. Tomorrow I will update. You see how early buyers got trapped? You see how early buyers got trapped? Early buyers got trapped. Okay, so now price will, market will hit their stop loss coming into our zone, and then maybe I'm just concerned about this liquidity. Okay, I'm just confused about this liquidity. If the market, everything depends on the market. If the market could hunt this liquidity and then continue, or else the market will hit our level and then continue. Sarfaraz, I hope you're watching. Where are you? What took you the longest to understand about the market context and how do you read? Brother, it's all about experience. The more the experience you have on chart, okay, the more you watch, the more you pay attention to the chart. So that's how you will come to know each and everything. There's no strategy, brother. There's no strategy. There's nothing called strategy. All you need to do is you need to understand the whole context, okay? So what's happening in the market? Where are the sellers? Where are the buyers? Where's the stop loss? Where's the liquidity? So you need to understand each and everything. Then only you will become a pro in the market. There's no fixed strategy, brother. Every day is a new day, okay? So every day is a new day, every day new liquidity, new buyers, new sellers. We cannot just use the same strategy forever, okay? So you also need to update your knowledge on a daily basis. You need to learn new things. So that's how you learn, brother. So you see buyers are trapped now. So these buyers are really concerned that stop loss will be hit or not. Definitely their stop loss will be hit. Definitely they will be trapped and also hitting this liquidity pool now. So first this was not a liquidity pool. When the buyers entered from here, okay, when the buyers entered from here, as you can see, this is not a small momentum. Let's calculate this. 160 pips, traders, 160 pips, okay. So you see how these buyers got trapped, 160 pips. So that's why I marked this as liquidity, okay. So they will definitely get trapped, I'm sure. My only concern is this liquidity, okay. I am only concerned about this liquidity. Sarfaraz, brother, where are you? Are you watching? Any new viewers? Please let me know in the comment section. I reply each and every one of you. Please let me know in the comment section. Okay, I'm drawing key level as yellow. Okay, so you remember, I'm drawing key level as yellow. So as you can see, traders, after this selling, after aggressive buying, okay, after aggressive buying, sellers try to enter aggressive from here, but they failed, okay, but they failed. So after making this all-time high, they came retested this zone. As you can see, they retested this zone. They tried to push market again. They tried to push market again but failed. They tried to push market again, failed. They tried to push market again, failed. They tried to push market again, failed. Okay, so that's how market works. So this level is a key level. So the when market will be above this level, so we could see aggressive move. Okay, so let's see, traders, half an hour to go. US session opening. Hello, brother from Sri Lanka. Hello, hello. Welcome to our stream, brother. Welcome to our stream. I hope you're doing well. You see more buyers, market is building more buyers in this range, okay. So again buyers entered with the same stop loss, with this stop loss and this low, okay. Again buyers entered. Definitely buyers will enter, brother, because market is super bullish, okay. Definitely they will enter. Jerushan, if I am pronouncing right, Jerushan. So please, traders, comment, comment your thoughts. What do you think market is going to do next? And make sure you smash that like button, traders. Only 10 likes. Come on, traders. We need more likes. So today is our first live stream, traders. So let's just align with each other, okay? Let's just align with each other. Then once we do it on a regular basis, then no one can stop us. I promise you, traders. No one can stop us. I'll be covering only US session, okay? I'll be covering only US session. So early buyers, as you can see, early buyers, they'll be trapped. They are already trapped. They are already trapped. Once we break this level aggressively, then we might continue down, okay? Until and unless our view is bullish, super bullish. We are waiting for this level to hit. We are going to enter buy position from here. Any new viewers, please let me know. Please let me know. I already at the beginning of the stream I already told you, traders, our main bias is bullish, and this will be a reversal bearish liquidity hunt. Okay, so price was trading here, so you could have targeted this liquidity, okay, this liquidity first. So that move also was of more than 200 pips. You could have easily captured like 100 pips. Okay, so first let's just align yourself with me. Then day by day, you'll get used to. No rush, traders, no rush. Any new viewers, please let me know. Ebin, are you watching, brother? See, buyers got trapped. I told you, buyers got trapped. Who's watching? Please let me know. Okay. Buyers got trapped. Buyers got trapped. So you can enter a buy position from here. Okay. Like this. But I am just concerned about this liquidity. So that's why I gave you another option here. You could enter here. But if this liquidity is saved, then we might make momentum from here directly. Okay, your stop loss would be like 80 to 100 pips. It's better you go with 100 pips. I'm just concerned about this stop loss. Sorry, this liquidity. I don't know whether the market will hit this liquidity or else market had enough fuel already. I don't know. Or market needs this liquidity as well. Sarfraz, where are you, brother? Sarfraz, I think he's gone. If we are breaking this level, then we might continue downwards. Okay, we are not confirm this liquidity, whether this liquidity will be taken or not. What do you think, traders? This liquidity will be protected or this liquidity will be hunted? Please let me know. That's why our plan B was like this. Okay, our plan B was like this. 50. I already gave you this plan also. So now you see, traders, the main learning is market already has created a lot of fuel. Okay, this is all the fuel, the red sellers, all the fuel. Okay, so when the market will come, hit their stop loss will help market push above. Okay, their stop loss will work as a buy side position. Okay, traders. Make sure you smash that like button, traders. Only 10 likes. Come on, traders. Show some love. Come on, traders. Spread some love. Show some love. Come on, traders. Please comment. I'm getting bored. Please comment. Who's watching? Please comment. Bro, which broker are you using? Or if you can suggest, XNES is banned in India. Okay, brother. I'll be sharing all the links tomorrow. Namzi. So please subscribe to our channel. So I'll provide you the link. So all the streaming, live streaming, each and everything will be free. So what you can do is you can join with my link so that I earn some commissions. That's it. So broker you can use is XM or maybe Vantage. Tomorrow I'll let you know, brother. I have noted down. I'll let you know tomorrow for sure. We are running 43 pips, 40 pips, 30 pips. All right, great, thanks. I mean, it should be reliable broker where we can safely 100% reliable, brother. 100% reliable. 100% reliable. Don't worry. We work with only registered, okay, registered brokers. We only work with registered brokers. 30 pips running, 30, 35 pips running. So this was our plan A and this was our plan B. So plan A succeeded. Let's see. All right, so US session is gonna open within 23 minutes to be precise. If you didn't, if you didn't executed this trade, so no problem, traders. I told you today is the first day. First, let's know each other. Let's get aligned. Okay, let's get aligned with each other. Don't worry, traders. Market is every day. Okay, market is here every day. 50 pips running. I have seen sometimes when US session is open, there is strong selling. Yeah, brother, it depends because that liquidity spike, that's called liquidity spike, instant selling, aggressive buying, and then it reverses. Okay, that happens. But when we have levels, we are not against the trend. It will not happen with us. Okay. So what happens? I'll explain you, brother, just for you. Let's say US session is gonna open here and the market is bullish. Okay, so what happens? Market shows selling, and boom, it continues. Okay, so that's a trap. That's a trap. Okay, 50 pips is running. Those who haven't entered, not a problem. Today you just get aligned with me. Okay, you'll get used to it. Sarfaraz is gone, bro. I don't know if you entered this trade or not. Wait, I'll message Sarfaraz. I have him on Telegram. Sarfaraz, yes. Okay, I have message Sarfaraz. Let's see. Okay, 75 pips running. I don't know if you have entered this trade or not, but not a problem, traders. Okay, so from tomorrow you can follow my instructions. Don't worry if you miss this trade. I'll be trading live in the US session on a daily basis, I promise. Okay, 84 pips. Where is Ebin? Ebin also gone. Okay, I need to go to washroom. Just give me 2 minutes. Don't go anywhere, okay? Don't go anywhere. I'll be back. I'll be back. I'll be back. I'm back. I'm back. Okay, what's going on? Okay, more than 100 pips. Okay. I have break even my trade. Very good, very good. Namzi, very good. Very low chances that the market will be again coming down. But anyways, market is unpredictable. All right, traders, 130 pips on our first live stream. Congratulations. So when you join my stream, you will get each and everything with whole explanation, okay, with full logic. We don't enter just looking at the simple breakout levels or anything like that, okay. So this will be deep technical analysis. So let's check out if we have any news, latest news. uh, this is a new one. All right. Okay, though now the trade will continue, brother. You can just hold until the all-time high. Okay. Very less probability that the market will come below again, but still market is unpredictable. So you break even your position. So even if we hit again, so we don't lose anything. So that's how we become profitable. Still 85 pips running. So those who didn't took this trade, okay, didn't executed this position. So don't worry, traders. Today we'll just get aligned with each other, okay? So don't don't just rush things, okay? I promise I'll be regularly live in the US session. If you support me, I will be regularly live in the US session. So those who haven't liked, so make sure you smash that like button, traders. 120 pips, 120 pips running. I know you will be feeling bad that you haven't executed this trade, but not a problem, traders. Market is not running away anywhere, okay? One is to two risk is here. You could definitely target this level. We could definitely target this level. Once we break this level, then we could book partial booking, and we could hold some quantity until our all-time high. Once the market breaks this level and trading above this level, so we can trail our stop loss here, okay. If you don't want to book partial, you can trail stop loss under this level. What a beautiful trade, what a beautiful trade, traders, with logic. 130 140 pips on our first live stream. I feel so sad that I planned live streaming from previous week. I mean, from the last week itself, I planned, but I was unable to do it I feel so sad about that, but no worry traders, it's never too late. So from today we have started. My TP is 5085. I'll book 85% quantity and trail rest. Okay brother, okay. Okay brother. 140 pips running. Those who haven't liked, please like our stream traders. I need your support. That's all I want. You support me, I come live on a daily basis. That's my promise. Yes, yes, brother, of course. Of course. You see how these buyers got trapped. You see how these buyers they got trapped. Poor souls. They got trapped here. First market showed some buying and then boom. That's how market works, okay? That's basic market mechanism. So if you don't know basic market mechanism, you don't know anything, okay? So you must first learn basic market mechanisms, and some of my viewers know me already. These levels, these support resistance levels, okay, they are not normal levels traders, okay? They are high probable levels. So it's very rare that my levels have failed, okay? So that's why I'm telling you traders, let's just get aligned with each other, okay? First, so today is the first day. I think within this week you will come to know each and everything, okay? Patience brother, patience, don't worry. If you miss this trade, don't worry brother. Tomorrow we find another trade, okay? We don't overtrade, we don't do bullshit, we don't do overtrade, we don't sell anything, we don't do fake things, okay? Just real trading, real knowledge. With my full heart I want to help you, okay? You see how the buyers entered? First fake buying and then entry, original entry. So this will be happening in 90% of the cases, okay? First there will be fake selling, fake buying, and then the actual move. 150 pips in the live stream, our first live stream. Congratulations. 160 pips, almost 170 pips. Let's go baby, let's go. That's why I love gold. That's why I love gold. Let's go baby. If you just come here and watch my live streaming regularly, you can pass your funded accounts traders. You won't believe, you could pass your funded accounts. You don't need to pay. Trading view asking you to show. You don't need to pay anyone, okay? You don't need to do any bullshit. You just need to watch my live stream and just see the magic brother. Logic was very well defined and executed perfectly. Great work. Oh, thank you brother, thank you. Sanjay, okay sir. Yes, yes brother. Join regularly. Sanjay, join regularly, okay? Jarushan from Sri Lanka, where are you brother? Who's watching? I don't know actually. I have not entered this trade. No problem, brother. No problem. I know some of you didn't enter this trade. I know. First, you know myself. Okay? Sorry. आप मुझे पहले जान लो ब्रदर. उसके बाद आप काम करो. कोई बात नहीं. You take your time. You take 1 week time. Don't worry. I am with you. Okay? I will help you out. Don't worry, brother. But you need to support me, okay? But you need to support me. Come on, traders, those who haven't liked our stream, make sure you smash that like button. Subscribe to our channel. So 5 minutes to go, US session will be opening. Still we are above 100 pips, 120 pips. I was just curious about this liquidity, okay? But we are in the right trend. That's why this liquidity got saved, got protected. When we are in the right direction, so market usually hunts the internal liquidity, the most obvious internal liquidity. So now this much of fuel is enough, okay? This much of fuel is enough for the market to make a new all-time high. This much of fuel is enough as of now. We have so much aggressive sellers here, okay? Here and then here. So this much fuel is enough. Worst case scenario, market would come again, breaking this level, again retesting, again continuing. Or else in that retest, market could hit this level. Okay, so there's always a probability. Market is really unpredictable these days due to geopolitical news events. Mohammed, hi sir, do you look do you any look for any other confirmation? Why? No, 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 brother. Only my pure analysis. Whatever I'm explaining you, that's all I am looking. That's my full analysis. I am sharing it with you, each and everything. Bro, I have to go out for dinner with family, but your new subscriber Naman will join you daily. Thanks, mate. Yeah, yeah, brother. Have a good time with your family. Say hi from my side. And lots of love, brother. Lots of love. Have a great evening ahead. Thank you, brother. You manage your positions. I hope you have a profitable day. You join regularly. Mohammed, brother, this is our only analysis. This is our full analysis, okay? So now this liquidity also hunted. So now we will delete this liquidity. Okay, 2 minutes to go. Market session is going to open. Sorry, US session is gonna open within 2 minutes. Yep, yep, yep. Definitely, brother. Take care, take care. Same to you. See you tomorrow. Have a great evening ahead. Thank you for joining in. You hold your position with break even. Take care, brother. Come on, traders, new viewers, please let me know. Please comment who's watching. Please let me know. Anyone from the US? Anyone watching from the US? US session is active now. Just 30 seconds to go. Those who haven't liked our stream, make sure you smash that like button, traders. I just want to help all the beginners out there. I don't want you to lose your hard-earned money. Comment below your thoughts. What are your views? Please let me know. Okay, this is a key level. So as you can see, traders, when the market retested this zone, it made a breakout and the market could not continue. Okay, immediately buyers entered. So now that's why market is creating some bearish momentum here. Okay, so that's why it's always better to book some profits. Okay, you see this momentum was of 200 pips, so at least you could book 100 pips at least. Okay, so you always book your profits, you book some profits and you break even some. 100 pips, 200 pips is not a small profit, traders. Even if you're trading with 0.01, then also you're making 16 to 20 bucks. Okay, then also you're making 16 to 20 bucks. When you're trading with 0.10, then $160, $150 to $200 is not a small amount, traders. Now this was the first test and this is our second test. So second test we could get some bullish momentum, and on the third test this level is not valid. Okay, third test this level is not valid. One touch, two touch and third touch, this level is not valid. Okay, so now two touch is done. So now we are expecting market to make that bullish momentum from here itself. Okay, we are expecting the market to make bullish momentum from here, so you can make your entries here. This is a re-entry, this is a risky second time enter, second time entry. Okay, and your stop loss, your risk is of 100 pips. So this is the level, okay, where sellers got involved. So you see, traders, second touch and then also we got momentum. So two times level, the market will respect our level two times. Okay, so whatever supply demand I draw, so market will respect two times. So you see 60 pips again going on. So first thing first, you don't fear. Okay, you don't fear for the losses. It's a part of the game, brother. Once you start realizing that, then you will start earning real money. If you support me, I'll be live on a regular basis, I promise, traders. Okay, so those who haven't joined, those who haven't liked my video, make sure you smash that like button. And I forgot to put my Telegram channel link in the description, so make sure you join my Telegram channel link. Tomorrow I will update the link. Okay, so still 50 to 60 pips going on. On a re-entry, See 70 pips, 80 pips. New viewers who's watching, please let me know in the comment section. Please let me know in the comment section who's watching. You only enter at my levels, okay? So you don't enter by your own. Now the market US session is already live. Let's have a look at the US session, what's happening in the US session. Okay, as you can see traders, Dow Jones is trading bearish. Okay, Dow Jones is bearish. The market is quite bearish. And 80 to 90 pips again. So with 0.01, $9, $10 is not a small amount traders. You grow your account day by day. $90 to $100 pips again. Congratulations traders. This is our first stream and already we've made more than 160 pips. And we are expecting more, okay? We are targeting this all-time high, but first we need to break this, then we need to break this, and then we could target this liquidity, and then we're gonna hit all-time high. So already 100 pips, 100 pips done. Traders, we are expecting the market to push above, okay? So first this level is a hurdle. So once we break past this level, we can continue until this level, and once we break this level, then there's no turning back, okay? So we will be breaking our all-time high, and we will be printing a new all-time high. Let's hope for the best. So don't worry traders, if you miss my trades, tomorrow you trade, okay? Don't worry traders, I'll be regularly coming live in the US session. I need your support, that's it. All I'm asking is for your support. The least you can do is smash that like button, subscribe to our channel. That's it. And always work with risk management. Okay, don't forget risk management. You always work with risk management, brother. Risk management is key. Once you understand how to manage risk, then one or two losses will never hurt your account. Okay, you will consistently grow. You will grow your account consistently. What we do is we risk our whole capital on losing trades. We never do that. When we have good opportunities like this, then we risk our account. Okay, also it depends on your account size. I prefer risking 1 or 2%. Okay, when you're using big amount, big capital like 10k, 5k, you could risk 1 or 2%. That's it. If your capital is small, like $500, $100, you can start risking with $10, $20, like that way. Okay, and then slow and steady you grow your account. And when you make your profits, when you start making your profits, like first trade, second trade, third trade profit, then you risk the same profits. Okay, then you risk the same profits and you become risk free, brother. You have to risk your profits, then only you can become profitable. Until and unless you're risking your own capital, you cannot become profitable. Okay, just imagine now you took this trade. Okay, let's imagine you have a $10,000 account and you took a 0.10 position and your risk was 100 pips. That means your risk was $100. Now you are into profit of let's say 110, $120. Okay, let's say that's enough. That's enough. You book this position, you don't withdraw. Now on your next trade, you risk the same capital which you've earned. Got it? You risk the same capital which you've earned and you make more profits. Let's say you make more $100, then you have two free trades. Then you have two free trades. So that way you build your capital. That way you build your capital. That way you earn real money. That's how you do it. Okay. So why the market came down, as you can see, now there was US session opening. Okay, there was US session opening. So market build more sellers. Market build more sellers. So their liquidity, once we break past this level, so their liquidity will be used for pushing. Okay, their liquidity will be activated as a buy side liquidity. Okay, their positions when their stop loss will be hit, so that will help all the buyers. Okay traders, so market will be aggressive from here. So after breaking this level, so market will be more aggressive. Okay, so once we take down this liquidity, then market will go and break past all time high, printing new all time high and printing the new daily high. Come on traders, come on, new viewers, make sure you smash that like button traders. Only 12 likes. Come on traders. So if you want to draw this key levels, you go to line chart and this is how you draw these levels. Okay, so as you can see, after this breakout, buyers entered, but again when the market retested this level, so sellers took over and they came below this level, and when again market retested this level, so sellers didn't enter. Okay, so buyers entered aggressively. So there are buyers activated here. So once the market, your price breaks this level, the buyers will be activated aggressively. Okay. So overall the market is bullish, and already we have made 120, 130 pips. We need more likes, traders. Come on. If you haven't liked, please make sure you smash that like button. You hit that like button. You see, this level is only the hurdle as of now. So after the breakout of this level, aggressive buying will be there. Okay. Okay, traders. So I told you already. Now this will be the third time. This will be the third time if we revisit this level. This level is not valid anymore. Okay. So now this level is not valid anymore. This is done. So the third time we visit this level, we will be breaking this level. Okay. So third time market will not respect this level. So this is the only chance. This is the only chance. Market is still inviting the sellers. So as you can see over here, market is still inviting the sellers. So market has already collected a lot of fuel to go further bullish. So let's see if we are going to get the breakout today or tomorrow. But market is super bullish. Okay. There's no point of selling. There's no point of selling. Market is just inviting extra sellers. Market is just inviting extra sellers and building its fuel. Okay. Any new viewers, please let me know in the comment section who's watching. Don't try to sell. Okay. Don't try to sell. Market is building more sellers here. Market is building more fuel in this range. So once we break past this range, market will be very aggressive. Okay, only two hurdles. First hurdle, second hurdle. Rest we don't have any hurdles. So these two are the liquidity. I mean this one and this one. These two are the liquidity, the major liquidity and the minor liquidity. So these are the liquidities. So these liquidities will be helping the market creating new all-time high. And these are the only two hurdles that we have as of now. So don't try to sell, brother, please. Don't try to sell. Only try to buy. Okay. Our buying level is already hit now. So you do your own analysis and you try to be in buy side. Okay. Don't try to sell. 130, 140 pips. So on daily basis, I'll be helping you out. Okay. So make sure you smash that like button and show some love, show your support. 140, 150 pips already. Those who re-entered, congratulations. Those who re-entered, congratulations. 140 pips, 150 pips, you can see 160 pips. Even if you're trading 10k account with just $100 risk, with just 0.10, you're making 1.5%, 1.6%. That's not bad, bro. Within a week, you can pass your challenge, okay? And I already shown you the proof. I passed my challenge, both phases, okay? Both phases within just 2 weeks. Within just 2 weeks, I passed my challenges. So you can do the same. You support me, I help you out, okay? You see 1.7% you're making. 8% target. Even if you're making 2%, then definitely your account will be completed within a week. Also, your minimum trading days will be completed. Second phase is just 5%. So I'll be putting all the links tomorrow. So make sure you buy with my links, so I make some commissions, okay? That commissions I'll be using to upgrade my analysis. All right, I'll be using to upgrade my setup. I want to buy a face cam, I want to buy ring lights and other stuff. Then I want to upgrade my setup. So as you can see, traders, 170, 180 pips already. So watch our stream on 1080p. Okay, 200 pips done, 190 pips done, 190 pips done, 200 pips done. See, that's how you make money, brother. That's how you make money. If you want to achieve your dreams, we will make it happen, brother. We will make it happen. You can do it. I am with you. See, just with zero, those who are trading personal account with just 0.01, you're making 18, $20, 15 to $20. Still, profit is profit, my friend. Today you're trading with 0.01. Tomorrow you'll be trading with 0.10. And then in future you're trading with, just imagine, one lot, 0.50 lot, one standard lot. So that's how you're going to grow in your life, bro. I just want you to grow in your life. You help your parents, you help your community, you help make your surrounding beautiful. You feed stray dogs, you feed stray cats, okay? So you feed some hungry person. So that's why I'm building this community, okay? So from tomorrow onwards, I'll be regularly live in the US session. I mean, before the US session, I'll be live, okay? So make sure you join us. And I don't I don't give you any complex analysis like the ICT or anything complex like that. I'm just providing you straight simple analysis, and this is just for beginners. Okay, so pro traders, you're already making money, so you don't need me. This is just for beginners. Okay, so I just want to save their capital and I just want them to grow in their life. You can do it, brother. You can do it. Also, we don't overtrade. Okay, we don't overtrade. We hit our stop loss, we close our system, we come back tomorrow, and we hit harder. Okay, we hit hard. That way we can build consistency. No overtrading, no revenge trading, no overtrading, only consistency. One or two trades on a daily basis. Common traders who's watching, please let me know in the comment section, and if you haven't liked our video, make sure you smash that like button. As a community, we need to grow. Okay, there are a lot of people who are making mistakes on a daily basis. They are losing their account, they are blowing their account, they are losing their hard earned money, and it hurts me a lot. So that's it, traders. So we will be closing this stream within 10 or 15 minutes. So now the market will not look back. Okay, so market will be continuously bullish once we break this level. So these two levels will be acting as a fuel. Okay, so there's no selling level available. Once again, I'm telling you, there's no selling level available. These liquidities will help market as a fuel. Okay, so market will definitely break past these area and make all-time high today if possible. Okay, or else after breaking this area, market will be sideways over here, or after breaking this, market will be sideways. Okay, you see 23 230 pips, 230 pips, traders, 230 pips. So you daily, the least you can do is you daily come here, you join my live stream, and you start making money, traders. You start making money. Okay, now market will not look back. Market will maybe hesitate to break this level, but once we break this level, there's no selling point, so no selling level. So this liquidity levels will help market as fuel for the buy side. Okay, so only this is the hurdle as of now. So that's it for today. I'll be closing this stream within 10 minutes. I hope I was able to help you, and on a daily basis I will try my best. Okay, traders, I will use my whole knowledge to help you out. As a community, we grow together, and also we help others. Okay, so we help needy people, we help poor animals, we help feed stray dog, we help feed stray cats. Okay, we build as a community. From today we have started, so from tomorrow onwards will be daily daily streaming live in the US session only. Okay, so only this is the hurdle as of now. So maybe the market will resist here little bit. Once we break this, then there's no turning back. Okay, then literally there's no turning back. The market will boom 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 upside only. I am so grateful that I am able to provide you analysis. I am so grateful that I am able to help you. Okay, I am so grateful. Thank you, thank you, thank you, God. Thank you so much. I am so grateful. So regularly I'll be in the live session. I mean I'll be live in the US session. Okay, so make sure you don't miss. And tomorrow I will share Telegram link, and if you want to buy any prop firms or if you want to join any broker, I'm gonna share all the links tomorrow. Okay, so I'll catch you tomorrow. I'll be closing this stream, I'll be ending this stream within 5 minutes. Very worst case scenario, very worst case scenario. Now when the market will I mean when the market will visit this price for the third time, visit this level for the third time, this price level, then this price level is not valid anymore. Okay, this level is not valid anymore, so please don't mark this level now. So this level is not valid anymore. Worst case scenario, when the market will hit this level, then definitely 70-80% probability that it will be broken. Okay, so as you can see traders, 23 to 30 pips already, and you could book your profits always. 200 pips is not a small profit. And yeah, you can be trading regularly with me, absolutely free of cost. The least you can do is you can support me by liking this video, sharing video with your friends, growing our community. And if you want to help me, you can help me by joining under my links. Okay, and also you could donate me. So next week, this week, we'll be doing whole live streaming, will get aligned with each other, and from next stream I will provide you the donation option. So if you're earning regularly, if you're earning on a daily basis with me, so you could donate me something. Okay, so I just want to improve my setup. I want to buy a face camera, I want to buy light rings and all those things. Okay, so there's a lot of expenses, so you could help me, you can help me. So I will improve my analysis, improve my setup. Okay, and also I will be live in front of you with face cam. Okay, so we could our conversation will be better, our conversation will be better and better. Okay, so you could do some partial booking, and you could hold your positions under this level. Okay, with stop loss under this level. This is not a exact safe stop loss, but still you can hold under this level, and if you want to be safe, then you can just break even. You make it or you break it. Okay, this is, you can just do the break even. You make it, you make it full. If you break it, you earn zero. Okay, that way. So almost 500 pips target traders. So I told you traders, after this level, this is the only hurdle. After this level, market will be super bullish. Okay. And yeah, we could face some resistance, little resistance here. So once we break this level, then there's no turning back, because these liquidity levels will be working as a fuel. Okay, will be working as a fuel. And also we don't have any trend line, but you could use this as a trend line. So yeah, after breaking this trend line and this level, after breaking this trend line and this level, after retracement, there's no turning back. Okay, there's no turning back literally, and these liquidity levels will be working as a fuel. And sorry for my poor English, I am improving, I am trying to improve, okay, on a daily basis. But I'm really grateful that I am able to express each and everything to you, and I am able to help you, and I want to do it on a daily basis. Okay, so today you just get aligned with myself, you just get to know me, you just understand my analysis, my way of trading, okay, each and everything. Then day by day you will improve with me. Okay trader, so don't worry, don't worry if you are, if you were not able to trade. Okay, don't worry, just understand and align with me, and then day by day we grow together. All right, traders, I'm ending this stream. So I have given you each and everything. So after breaking this, there's no turning back. I've already told you. Okay. So you can hold your position with stop loss under this, or simply you can use break even. Okay. So you make it or you break it. So I'll catch you tomorrow, traders. Okay. So till then, peace out. Bye bye.